Please keep in mind, if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of August.
Somebody could be dealing with a Leo, and the way that card came out, it's like they're going to have the strength, I feel like, to say something or do something, but then at the same time, they don't. See, yeah, I'm picking up on somebody's energy here. This is somebody that wants to fix it with you. And the thing is that they don't talk. They don't open up. They don't say anything. See? And they keep going back and forth trying to make a decision. And I feel like this person is going through a tower moment right now because they're realizing they messed this up with you. They realize they're not going to have a new beginning with you. And they're going to have to speak their truth. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. But see, it might be too little too late because you walked away. Maybe they're going to tell you that they walked away from a situation. But let's see. Yeah, see, this person feels like you're not going to put any time or energy into them. See, there were two women here. It could be two men. Y'all know how I feel about my court cards. Take it however it fits. But there were two people here. And this is the problem. And that's why you're like, you know what? Nah, look, see? That's why they're going through a tower moment. Because the thing is, they know that you left them alone, but I see them getting out of this situation. They freed themselves. If they haven't, they're getting ready to. Because their world is crumbling down right now. Tell me more. Ooh, there's a lot of people here. Okay. Oh, this person. Oh, they were juggling. See, somebody was in something codependent. So this could have been, they were in a situation with you and two other people. Could be two love interests. It could be two family members. It could be a love interest and a family member. It could be family and a friend. Like, however, you get what I'm saying? It was too many people here. And this was the problem. See? It's like they want to work things out with you, but they're afraid of what you're going to say. Because, see, this person still has to give to somebody else. But, see, they want to give an offer to you. Okay? Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. But I'm seeing that they're going to have to reveal the truth to you. They made a decision. But the thing is, they have responsibilities, guys. But they regret what they did. And see, yeah, they're trying to figure out how to take this leap to come towards you because they want to tell you something. They're just chicken about it, okay? They're not saying anything. See, they can't sleep. You're on their mind a lot. But Spirit is saying they're still not listening to their intuition because, yeah, they love you. They want to be with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini, but they're back and forth with talking to you. It's like they know that they're going to have to come in and speak their truth, but they're hesitating doing it. See, they're not putting in the work. They're not saying, you're not hearing from this person at all. Because, see, right now, I do feel like I told you before, if they have not put an end to this other situation, they will be. But this is also saying they're afraid that if they come back, you're done. They're afraid of you rejecting them now. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. Yeah, see, you're rejecting them because they stabbed you in the back. Okay. So, you're going to get a stable offer from them. I see. You're going to get an offer because, see, you're their wish fulfillment. They want happiness with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn, but they're saying they got to get out of their heads and they need to get out of a toxic situation. Maybe behaviors, too, because this person was sneaky. They're going to have to change up everything. And, see, you shut down on them, guys. You know, they're afraid that you're not going to open up. And they do not want you to cut them off at all. See? The thing is, they didn't give you the offer that you deserve, and they're back and forth with the Six of Wands. So that's letting me know they want this victory with you, but they don't know if they're going to get it. I knew it. I saw another 6 in my mind, and look at that. 6 of Cups came out reversed. So either they have a family with you, Aquarius, or this is a family situation that they're in. You know, they're thinking about the past. See? Wow. Look at the... See what I'm saying? All right, y'all. We've been down this... I'm telling y'all, this is a twin. Could be a soulmate. It could be a twin. Definite twin. Twin flame connection. I'm talking, y'all. Oh, my gosh. I'm telling you. This person they know. See, they want to fix it with you. Look at that. You see how the Ten of Pentacles landed on the Ten of Cups? That's a new beginning. They want this new beginning with you, but somebody has been holding on. It could be more than one person, you know, in your situation, but... They want this with you, but somebody's holding on to them. For some of you, maybe they're married. They're in a commitment, or they're just committed to helping somebody out. But look at that. They're saying, I learned my lesson. I want to move forward with you. I want to start this new cycle with you. I want to have a new beginning with you. Yeah. Uh-oh. Did this person have a child? Is that the situation? Tell me a little. They want happy. Yeah. There's a child here. And it could have broke your heart. Third party. Somebody had a child. Or there's someone that's pregnant. Because I'm seeing two things. Either there was a baby that was already born, or there's someone here that got someone else pregnant. They broke your heart. Oh, shoot. Okay. See, and the King of Wands jumped on the King of Pentacles. They know somebody else is coming in for you if you haven't been with someone else. But the thing is, they're going to have the confidence to come and speak their truth. But see, right now, they don't have a happy family situation. There's a lot of arguing going on, maybe even because of money. And see, this is why they're isolating themselves. Because look, you got 2 nines again. They're going through lessons. Due to the decisions that they made, somebody got caught up in something. There's something going on over here. You know, and now it's like they're trying to rush in to say something to you. Yeah, they want to move forward. But guess what? They had other options. They turned their back on you. They had other options. Couldn't make up their mind. And this is why they're not moving forward just yet. See, but they're trying to hold on to you. Somebody could be dealing with, sorry, I'm skipping signs. Somebody could, oh my gosh, did I go? I'm a skip. Okay, let's back up. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. But this person, ooh, look at angel number. Oh, it was already there, but there's another 7. I have 7777, okay? So look that up. That's something that's pertaining to you guys. But this person, they're clearing away obstacles because they want to be with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius. But right now, they're saying there's no balance in my situation. And they're upset because they didn't make a move when they were supposed to. So I just heard missed opportunity. Yeah, see, they're afraid that things aren't going to work out with you at this point because now things aren't good on their end. You know, it's like they're worried about their money. They're worried about a family situation, a home situation. Could be dealing with an Aquarius, but see, they're going to apologize to you. But they're going to have to tell you the truth. And that's what they're trying to decide, when and how to do it. Because the thing is, they want to give you an offer, guys. And they're going to do it once they get out of their head. But see, they know they did you wrong. Y'all, they did you wrong. They really did. And this person is having a hard time coming towards you, but they will. See, because they're back and forth with the Ace of Wands. They want this new beginning, but they're afraid that it's just not going to happen, see? Because right now, they're going to apologize for being in this codependent situation. Yeah, they took a hit. They're going to take a financial hit leaving this situation. And I'm telling you, they're going to tell you about it. They're going to tell you why they left you out in the cold. And they're going to tell you, when I leave the situation, I'm afraid my money is not going to be right. But guess what? They put themselves in that position because now they're feeling stuck. What do I do? Okay, so it's either you're going to step up and get out of the situation you're not happy in, whether there's a child or children here or not, and live your life. And if you just got to take a hit, that's on you. That's a part of your lessons, part of your journey. Or are you going to stay stuck in this unhappy situation because, you know, you're fearful about your finances, but then miss out on the love of your life? That's why Spirit is saying, y'all don't have time for it. Release your ex, free yourself, and keep it moving. Because this person, they need to make up their mind. Nobody see? Look. They're afraid they're not going to have a new beginning with you because of the situation that they're stuck in. See, they want to give you an offer of a lifetime, but they're saying you're not going to take it. And they want things to improve with you. They want to heal things. But this third party, you know, it's like they want to celebrate with you, but that third party is still here. They're going to move fast, clarify to do what? No, they're not. Not the way the 3 of Swords came out. This person cannot make up their mind. This is the thing. I'm seeing why Spirit is saying y'all gotta let them go. I'm seeing it now because they're still not getting out of this situation because of a child or children. They're afraid they're gonna be put on child support and not gonna be able to see the kids. Like, you don't have time for that. They're gonna have to figure it out. See, I'm telling you. They're basically saying, I want out, I want to move forward with you, but the way that 3 of Swords came out, they still have not done it. And the thing is, they want to rebuild with you, see? They want to turn things around. But they're just not being positive. Yeah, because they feel like you don't want them anymore. Because they didn't bring stability to, you know, the situation with you. And now they're afraid the seeds that they planted with you, they're not going to grow. Let's use this deck. Spirit, this person's energy that I'm picking up on, what messages do you have for Aquarius, please? Look at that. I feel stuck. I don't know what to do. Y'all. I'm the official person, number 4 of a home, family. I take care of everything and everyone, the bulk of everything, and I'm trying to figure out what to do when it comes to my money. Y'all, I'm telling you. See, I throw myself into my job right now, you know, trying, you know, making income. Maybe this person has a business with this other individual, this ex that they need to get away from. They're trying to figure out what to do. But they're saying, I'm going to have a conversation. Let's see. Tell me a little bit more. Yep. I'm going to have a conversation with you about this, especially about me leaving you out in the cold. But the problem is, number 10, I'm going to put an ending to this. But if I do, I feel like, 1, I'm going to leave my child or my children out in the cold. 2, it could be a situation where I'm going to get left out in the cold financially speaking. But the thing is, the situation that they're already in is draining them. It's already draining them financially. Why? Look at that. Somebody's going to court. There's a man and a woman standing before a judge. They're trying to make a decision, but they know if they put an end to this, they're going to court. See? I'm telling y'all, they're going to put an end to it. They're gonna get out of it, but Spirit is saying, don't you wait. See, they're talking to their friends and family, trying to figure out their best way to do this, because look, there's a privileged lady here. There's a woman here that is gonna come after them for their money. See, there's the house. Because again, they have a family or they live with each other. I'm telling you. Or this person helps to pay bills. I'm telling you. That's what it is. So, oh yeah, I can't wait for y'all advice. Let's see. And you're having a hard time. Some of you guys are holding on to this person, but this person, they're not talking. They're not speaking up. They're not saying anything. And so it's like the way that came out, it's like you're trying to come out of being frustrated. And at the same time, even if you are frustrated, Spirit is pushing you to keep moving forward. Keep clearing away those obstacles, because this individual, immature, childish, the way that they're handling this whole situation. And the Spirit needs you to continue focusing on yourself. Some of you guys are like, you know what, I want love, but forget love right now. I'm focusing on my money, my career, my business, if you have one. That's what a lot of you are doing. Tell me more. Yeah, because you don't see things improving when it comes to this situation. And see, you don't have a peace of mind at all with this individual. Even if they did come back, you don't trust them. See, the devil reverse. You're like, I'm getting out of my head. I'm not overthinking this. I want out. I want out of this connection. I want out of this situation. I want out of, you know, him or her. I want to get away. I'm tired. This situation, it is toxic. You know, you're like, they have to figure it out. See, you're not holding on to hope anymore, you know? And at the end of the day, it's like you guys may feel like nothing is changing or like things are moving slow, but you're on the right path. See, because now you have a new beginning coming in for you. And see, it could be another person is eventually going to come in for you. But the thing is, this person, they're dragging their feet to make a move. And you're choosing you. You're like, you know what? I'm not worried about this person. I got to focus on me and what I have going on. Because guess what? I told you, you have a new freaking beginning coming in, guys. You are birthing something new when it comes to career, your business. It could be love, okay? I'm telling you, hang in there, Aquarius. Hang in there. Yep. Because I'm seeing it overall, it's like you're making a decision. Yep, when it comes to this person, I'm telling you, you're not content with them. And you want justice. You want justice. You want the truth from this person. I feel like that could be why maybe some of you guys are holding on, because you want that closure. It's like, for some of you, maybe you don't know 100% what's going on. You're speculating. Maybe this person didn't tell you anything. You're trying to put the pieces together by yourself. You know, but whatever it is, you want justice and you're going to get justice. That's why this person is going through it. That's why Spirit is saying, listen to your intuition right now. Listen to your intuition right now. Listen to your intuition.